Well, here's just a quick video update. I'm creating my own Digibyte node that I can solo my Shaw 256 machines to. I'm following the advice of Retro Mike Tech. The guy is amazing. He's a great teacher. He explains everything really well. Even an old 54-year-old stroke brain guy like me can follow his instructions. So right now it's just downloading the Digibyte testnet blockchain, and we'll go from there. We'll install mining core and get it set up so I can start solo mining a few various coins to my own node. Created a Ubuntu server on one of my virtual machines. So sorry about the cable work. It's absolutely awful, but I'm in the process of, well, trying to clean it. But anyways, a big shout out to Retro Mike Tech. He's you know what, he's been a godsend while I've been homebound here for a while. Just following his how-tos, his guides, learning a ton from this gentleman. So I really appreciate the content, Retro Mike. And well, just a quick update. Nothing much going on here. It's just all junked up. I got this GPU machine off at the moment. It's not mining anything. Still got a KS0 Ultra up there doing its thing. A bunch of networking equipment. Again, I've got the virtual machine running. One of them, I've got another instance of Proxmox running on an old Mac Pro. Thing's a battle axe. Yeah, it's heavy on power, but man, is it ever reliable. So anyways, I'm starting to babble. Have a good night all. Once again, Retro Mike Tech, you rock. Cheers.